Hi friends, this is your Chatterbox Juhi and you guys are watching Hathway BTV हुआ क्योंकि समाना हुई द यंगस्टर्स का वैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि मॉडल्स जो होते हैं वो एक्टिंग में थोड़े से कच्चे होते हैं बट अगर आप इन मॉडल की बात करेंगे तो शी इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. इन्होंने बचपन से आई गेस बहुत काम करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था एंड आई हैव ब्यूटीफुल डायनामिक एंड आई शुड से you're very mesmerizing Zoya Froze with me. So it's Indore. How is the warm feeling coming to Indore? It's your. I think you are very connected to this
I
city.
feel so connected to the city, and I always say it's very, very close to my heart. And क्योंकि मेरी शुरुआत यहाँ से हुई थी, I started my journey from here by becoming Miss India Indore 2013. And since then, my life has literally changed. So definitely Indore को, I always, whenever I come here, I get so nostalgic and I love the feeling out here, especially the people. They're so warm, they're so nice, और इतनी तहजीब तमीज़ से बात करते हैं, and it feels so good to be back here.
Listen, I think I'm not mistaken. You have started your career as a child actor because आप बचपन से you were like towards this. You have to become this. You were towards this. आपको बचपन से पता था ये चीज़?
I think बचपन में तो obviously
Rasna was the
from there I started, and धीरे धीरे करके I started doing ads in films. So obviously बचपन में 3 या 4 साल के बच्चों को कुछ आइडिया नहीं होता. Obviously उनके पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं वो पुश करते हैं उन्हें. So definitely मेरे पेरेंट्स ने देखा कि she loves being in front of the camera, so why not put her in that. So thanks to my parents that they recognize the talent very young, and I was really young, so I think since then I started enjoying it.
You are into many. You are into many careers. Means you are doing modeling. You are doing acting. Which is the one thing you actually enjoy doing the most? That is the love of your life.
Acting, hands down, it's the love of my life, because there's something else about it. Every time you have to play someone else that you're not, like completely not. I was a big introvert, so a person who's a really introvert, to play different characters, it's so difficult, challenging, yet so exciting. So I think it's been like a
Still
roller coaster ride.
introvert, or you have turned into an
Like,
extrovert?
meeting so many people, I'm trying to, started to become a little more like, I'm speaking a little more than I used to, but yes.
That's really great. So, being a part of any fashion show, you have to be like really very subtle on the ramp. You have to be very dignified when you're walking. कभी लगता है कि मॉडलिंग भी बहुत टफ चीज़ है बिकॉज व्हाट पीपल से इज मॉडल्स जो होती हैं दे आर क्वाइट एक्सप्रेशनलेस बट आई डोंट फील लाइक बिकॉज गोइंग थ्रू दैट रैम्प एंड यू नो सो मच ऑफ थिंग्स गोइंग इन योर माइंड एंड देन टू फॉलोइंग द नॉर्म्स इज अ ग्रेट थिंग आई गेस.
एक्चुअली मॉडल्स का जो स्केड्यूल होता है वो बहुत टाइट होता है. इट्स लाइक एवरीथिंग इज वेरी बैक टू बैक. सो यू कम हियर, यू गो फॉर मेकअप एंड हेयर, एंड you get your hair pulled, and you get your, there are different sort of, then there are different sorts of hairstyles that they experiment as in the fashion industry, and which looks superb on models when they walk, and they carry it off so well. So I think वो करते हैं, and then there's makeup, then there's changes, rehearsals होती हैं हमारी, and हर rehearsal में आप as an audience उतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, but there's always a choreography that each model follows, और हर round में अलग choreography होती है. तो वो ध्यान में रखना, क्योंकि हम 1 या 2 बार ही rehearsal कर पाते हैं maximum time की कमी होने के कारण. So I think you should come tomorrow backstage and see the fun, and it's very like hard. It's obviously hard work तो है ही, but it's so much fun and so much excitement रहती है हमेशा, and we're having a blast backstage, all the girls and the guys. So it's a lot of
I
fun.
think I should not ask you this because you are born beautiful. I think that's in your genes, that's in your heredity. But still, I want to ask you anything else you do for your updo and for your, enhancing your beauty, or maybe उसे वहीं रखने के लिए because it's like so hectic schedules and all.
To be
So what do you
honest,
do?
if you want your skin to be glowing and fresh, I think a person who's really happy from the inside, it reflects on the skin, because yes, you have to be positive, you have to be very optimistic in life, and you have to be happy and content. with what you have. And also you need to strive for what you want. आपको अपनी dreams achieve करना है, उसके लिए hard work करना है, वो तो है ही. But साथ में you have to be very confident, very happy all the time, and it shows on your skin. And a happy person from inside looks
That's your idea of beauty.
totally a happy.
What do you eat यार? Basically कुछ तो बताओ हमको कि हम कुछ करें यार.
Okay, so I will tell you, drink lots of water. Yes, that though you obviously know. And fruits are really good for the skin. So have lots of fruits, less of like good fruits, like seasonal fruits are really good for the skin. So kiwis and all of that is really good for the skin. So yeah.
Great. So we've got bit of the beauty mantra of such a beautiful girl. So you are youngsters do follow you. They love you. They have seen you in movies. They actually follow your beauty. They are very flaunted by your beauty. What advice or you message you want to give to all the youngsters who are towards this industry, maybe trying so hard, sometimes get depressed, sometimes they achieve something. So what message or advice of your age you want to give to all the youngsters?
I think and you should never get depressed. Like you have one life, achieve what you want to do. Like I always believe, if you're best, nobody can reject you. So be that good in your profession and be that good. And you know, अपने स्किल को इतना अच्छा कर लो कि कोई तुम्हें रिजेक्ट ना कर पाए. You know, उतना हार्ड वर्क करना ज़रूरी है. मुझे ऐसा you know, कभी कभी लोग थोड़ा कम में उन्हें you know पहुंचते पहुंचते रुक जाते हैं, because they think कि you know it obviously anything that you want to succeed in बहुत hard work लगता है उस चीज़ के लिए. So give up कर देते हैं बीच में. तो don't give up. And I think yeah, that's about it. Go follow your dream.
God loves you, Zoya, and we always loved you and will love you, and we always want you to be the part of Indore
And I will
every
always
day.
be. That will never change.
Thank you so much. It was nice and pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much. One channel ID.